Today, we totally racked up at the yard sales, and I thought that I would share my loot with you guys. First up, I have a pair of Batman shoes here, size 12, and colors in between a 12 and a 13 right now. And these, I believe I've seen them almost $15, $16, $1. Very nice condition. Can't beat that. Also picked Connor up this Just Do It shirt. It's a Nike shirt, and it's just a nice blue soft material, and it was $2. Totally worth it. And he also got a pair of Halloween pajamas and a Batman shirt, which he took off with. He had a little bag, and he also got $1 in like a mystery bag toys, like 3 big huge Ziploc gallon bags, 3 of those for $1. And then he got a Pop the Pig brand new game, $5. And moving on, I can't get this stuff all in frame, so I'm going to insert pictures of all the clothing items so you can see what they look like. But for John, I picked up this really nice Old Navy active wear. It's just a black jacket, $2, hadn't been harmed at all, and you really can't beat that. So I was really pleased with this find here. At that same yard sale, we found some DVDs. Now these were $2 each, but 2 that you really can't find around anymore unless you order them online. But we have a Dude, Where's My Car? This is one of John and his best friend's favorite movies. So I picked that up. These DVDs are in great condition. This one has some stickers on it still, but what I mean is the DVDs have no scratches on them. And I picked up Queen of the Damned. Love this movie. And I also, when I was reading Twilight, fun fact here, I had a little image of Lestat in my head as to what Edward kind of would resemble. Yes, still a Twilight fan too also. But I found these. They had tons of DVDs, but these were the only 2 I felt really compelled and drawn to. Totally random, worth the buys. A 2-pack of Glade Enchanted Evergreen candles. 2-pack, mind you, 50 cents. 50 cents. Pretty sure she let me have the Cerise Air, the fresh cut pine, for $1. It's a 2-pack, you guys. I don't care if it's pine. I actually really like the scent. Okay, next up, a bottle of the Repel Max, and it repels mosquitoes. And I got this for $1, a full can of it. Can you believe it? We live in the country. I live in Kentucky. We live near a farm. Bugs are a problem here. So, a full brand new bottle of Venus Olay shaving cream. Yes, brand new, sealed, never been used. Next up, I did pick this up for $1, but this is the Caribbean Joe Island Company, supply company that we've been finding at the DollarTree. I got this for $1, but I didn't have this one. Brand new in the box, still sealed, Misty Nights. Smells awesome too. Now at that same yard sale, I found a lot of amazing plus size clothes, so I'm going to share those now. So I found these knit, like, I don't even know what brand they are right now. Bobby and Brooks, that is Dollar General. I don't care. I actually buy clothes there for myself as well. So these are like knit capris, and I love this color here. It's like white and gray, kind of washed. It looks like a fan brush, you know? And what's my favorite thing is they have a drawstring at the knee, and how cute are those? I think I picked these up for $1. I got these shorts here, Arizona brand, $1. The bottom looks like this. They're not too short, they're not too long. They are perfect for the plus size. And I just love them. No special pockets either, just regular old pockets. But yes, very happy with this find. Same yard sale, I found a pair of the classic denim jeans, and yeah, just regular old jeans. They are 22 wide though, and they're petite, so perfect for me. I can fit in 20, 22, and 24s. Yes, but so what the pockets look like. So again, nothing special, just basic jeans for every day. You can't beat that for $1. They're unharmed. They don't even look like they barely even been worn, even towards the bottom of the leg. They're not nasty. Very nice homes as well. Seriously, one of my favorite finds today. I think I got this for $1 as well. This yard sale was dirt cheap. There is the brand, and this is a short suit outfit, like a pantsuit. So it's kind of like it's a romper. So one piece, it's got these tassels on it, it's got a cinched in waist, and like I said, it is shorts. Yes, it's all black, quarter length sleeves here, and there'll be a full picture of this one in here. Same yard sale. This brand here, it says Code Rush 3X. It's a navy blue and a gray quarter length sleeve shirt, and it says we own the night, and it has rose and feathers. I don't know if this is a night shirt or not, but he's playing with the Pop the Pig game. So you might hear that in the background. Anyways, I don't know if this is a night top or what, but I'm wearing this for every day. I love that. That's beautiful. The last yard sale of the day, we stopped on a whim, and this one was not planned. I usually plan our yard sales out, which ones we're going to stop at, which ones we think are good, for what we're actually looking for. And this was a totally random find on the way home, and these are Old Navy sweatpants. They're like a burgundy shade. They'll go perfect with the Blessed hoodie I picked up at Kmart last year, and they have a cup at the bottom here, and yes, they're just like a jersey knit. Also, a very beautiful top I found. It's got like this crocheted, lacy kind of feel to the back there. And the rest of it is red. And I love me some pretty nice tank kind of tops for summer and spring. And the bottom is kind of cinched in and bungee like. I don't know proper terms for this stuff. I'm just a country girl. But yes, I love the way this looks, and it's gonna be perfect for 4th of July too. Look how beautiful. And last find of the day. It's from a brand called Free Kisses. I got this for $2. Oh, the crochet top, $2, and the Old Navy pants I just showed, $2 a piece. This has a sheer netting to the top, and then it has a nice flowy material here on the bottom. But what I wanted it for, I thought this was beautiful for church, and look at that beautiful floral on there, and it's going to be perfect with the blue jean knee pants that I already picked up from a yard sale prior to this, and I made an outfit for like $3. And I'm pretty sure of an expensive one as well. Fairly pricey anyways. So, yes, that's my yard sale haul. One other thing I forgot to share with you guys. I got this can or bathroom kind of shelves. And one of the top one here, it pulls in and out. I have it turned around wrong. And, yes. Did you have fun yard selling? You did? You did? Thank you guys always for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring that bell if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the description box for a whole lot of additional links to keep you busy all spring long.